Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. If someone new who is watching my channel for the first time who don't know who I'm your Ashita from my channel Ashita Dilated. I make videos related to DIY, art, craft, lifestyle, fashion, food, travel, beauty and much more. You can check out in my bio. Guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you 3 ways of applying your eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner. First one is very simple way, it's simple eyeliner, and second one is half winged eyeliner, and third one is extended half wing cat winged eyeliner. Then without any further ado, let's get started in the video. I'm using Dazzler eyeliner. I'll get this for 50 bucks. And very first one is simple eyeliner. First I gonna take at one end and I gonna extend at another as such. If there is any irregularities like this, I gonna apply another layer, a top layer next to this. Then I gonna extend both of them like this. So look, eventually I gonna apply one layer over the another, such that any mistakes could be covered up. And this is how it looks. Very simple one. Now let me go with our second one. It's half wing eyeliner. Once I'm done with my first simple eyeliner, I'm gonna extend this by a wing, a small wing. Just I'm making a sketch and covering that like this. I'm gonna extend my wing layer by touching to my before layer as such that it should be covered. Similarly, I'm applying in my second eye. Just I'll make a sketch and later on I'll fill it off. This is how it looks like. This is a simple winged kind. And let me go with our third, that is extended half winged cat eyeliner. And third one is something which we gonna extend this wing. I'm gonna apply eyeliner at the edges of my eye. I'm gonna apply this eventually such that it will touch my previously applied eyeliner. Now I'm gonna extend my wing as usual. First I'm gonna make my sketch and I'm gonna fill it off. You can see how I'm making it. Guys, here I'm extending my wing such that it is seeking towards my eyebrows. I'm applying here one layer above the another such that it should be eventually and shouldn't give any smudgy look. If you want, you can add even more thicker. And here goes my final look, how it looks. Guys, this is how it looks. The last one, it is an extended wing eyeliner, that is cat winged eyeliner. Guys, sometimes our eyeliner might be out of boundary because we would have shaked our fingers. Just cover it off, not leaving any kind of smudge look at your eyes. See, every time it will be not so perfect. Just cover it off using extended eyeliner or sketch eyeliner such that it will give a glimpsy look on your eyes. I guess you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.